Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to disable iMessage in your Mac. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now see, if you're using iPhone or iPad and if you don't want the messages to be seen on your Mac and if you don't want to use messages on Mac, then you can simply disable it. Now there are two ways to do that. First of all, simply open Messages app on your Mac. You can do that by simply going to dock, or else you can open Spotlight search by command plus space bar and you can search for messages application like this and you can open the app. Now once you open messages application, simply go to messages over here on the menu bar and select settings. It will take you to general page like this. All you have to do is just simply go to iMessage and over here you can check out how you can be reached. It can be your mobile number or it can be your email ID, right? And in order to disable iMessage, first option is you can simply uncheck this box which says enable messages in iCloud. So if you uncheck it, you will get a pop-up screen like this which says disable messages in iCloud, and you can also check out some information which says by disabling message in iCloud, your messages data will be downloaded to your device and will be no longer in sync to iCloud. Also, you can turn off messages in iCloud for just this particular device or for all your device. So if you want to disable iMessage for your Mac, you can simply select disable this device only. This is the first method. After you you have done the selection, you won't be receiving messages on your Mac. Now if you don't want to go with the first method, you can simply go with the second method, which is sign out. You can sign out from iMessage in your Mac, and if you tap on sign out, again you will get a pop-up screen which says if you sign out, you will no longer be able to receive iMessages. So yes, you can select sign out over here and it will be disabled. In future, if you want to use iMessage in your Mac, then you can simply sign in once again. So these are two simple methods by which you can disable iMessage in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.